Hi guys, today we'll be looking at the Evo Lite series. So this is the Evo Lite Plus that I've just received. So yeah, so let's first look at the box. Here you will have the, so I have the white version. So this one comes with the 1-inch sensor with a variable aperture. It says it can do up to 40 minutes of flight time. And also there's some warning sign here, and this is the sticker. Serial number. So looks pretty sleek, the box. Okay, so let's open this up. Where is the place? Okay, try not to do some damage to the box. Okay. So here I need to cut this open. Okay, so this is the long-awaited drone. So why I selected the white color is because I like to stay as stealthy as possible up in the air, because the orange color is just too bright and it might catch too much attention. I mean, we drone flyers, we like to keep it low profile whenever we're up in the air. So this whole thing, the material looks like, this is a matte color. It looks kind of sturdy, I can say. There's some dirt here. I'm not sure if the production worker actually cleaned this up. And yeah, this is the sensor. Let's try to open this up. Oh, there's even a sticker here, so you couldn't really open this until you take off all the stickers. Let's look at the camera. Oh, this whole thing is very hard. Or maybe we'll wait for this later on. Check what's inside the box first. So here I have the 1 battery version. So they actually, because we have been waiting so long since the pre-order, they provided the what you call this, option for either you upgrade your battery or you get a 1-year kind of like warranty for this, the care services, which if you lost your drone or something bad happen, you can pay a small sum of money to get a new one. So for the Autel, I would suggest getting it because this drone is very expensive to the masses. And so here I have the power adapter. So this one, the charger looks a bit big. So see how big is this power. So you can go up to 9 volt 2 amps 18 watt charger. Oh, the power output is 63 watt. So this is a single port to charge. See, where can I open this up? So this is the connector. Let's put it back. I have the I think they only provided one spare propeller, one set of spare propeller, which kind of like too little. So this is the power cable, and the this thing feels very heavy just by holding it. But this thing looks like a toy, but it's very heavy, I can say. The material is like steel or some alloy, not alloy, but definitely sturdy to hold your phone. So it can hold a big phone, not a tablet. And see what is there in here. So I believe this is the antenna, similar to like the DJI mini antenna. They have this antenna built in here. And so let's look at this. So this is the FCC number, if you can copy down and do some search on it. And I'm not sure how long it will last, the battery, but I think with this kind of weight, it should have a big battery inside. So let's so it's not charged, so I need to charge it. Couldn't even turn on. So I'll charge this. So nothing else besides some instruction manual and what else? Yeah, Nothing else here. So let's take a look at the drone. I'll not do a flying today just because I haven't got my warranty sorted out. So once I got it, because you have to do it within 24 hours. Let me move this aside. So this is a drone. So let's take off the paper here. Just pull it out. So you can see that the propeller is like curve a little bit. I think it's because this is my first Autel drone, so I have no comments. So there's an obstacle sensor behind. There's a big heat sink. I think this will get very hot because of all the technology inside. So there's another camera here. This is the LED light. This is the I think the sensor for the air pressure, and this one is also another camera. So let's take off this piece of paper. Oh, so you have to open from here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I really like the white color. I think it's much better than the orange that they advertise as the previous generation Autel. So yeah, the white color looks very nice. Looks kind of very clean. So this is the battery. You can see once without the battery, the whole thing is empty. So this is the whole motherboard. Unlike all the other drone, there is this thing here. So the whole battery came out, and the whole drone looks like this. Cool. So what else here? We can see that Evo Lite Plus. Everything is in Chinese. So this is just the FCC number. But I think they should have this in different languages if you're in the other countries for overseas. So let's try to see what is this. Okay. So this is a USB-C cable port. So maybe to plug in to update firmware or something. So on the left side, you have the micro SD card slot. So I believe this drone is way better than the A2S, and maybe somewhere in between to close to maybe image quality like the DJI Mavic, but Mavic 3 or Mavic 2 Pro, somewhere around there. Okay, I need to be very careful on this. So there's an instruction on how to do it. So let me see if I can see. So you have to, no, it didn't show me how to remove this. So let me be very careful. Oh yeah, so it is out. So this whole camera looks very big. So this is the 1-inch Ultra 6K camera with f2.8 to 11 aperture. So the whole gimbal mechanism looks, I'm not sure if this is all plastic, not really steel, I think. Yeah, plastic. So yeah, they painted it looking like a steel. Or yeah, because the gimbal need to be light. Understandable. There's a bunch of bushing around, so there's a lot of bushing here to keep it secure. So there's also a cable sticking out, and also up front there's a 2 camera, the sensor. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, how many? 5, 6 optical sensor, and 2 more. I think this air pressure sensor. So yeah, I think that's about it for the unboxing on this. Oh, we haven't looked at this battery yet. So let's see. This is a 68.7 watt-hour battery. I think watt-hour battery, yeah. yeah, so I'll charge up the battery and maybe I'll show you some flight later on. So yeah, looks good, huh? Let's not turn it on yet. Oh, maybe we can try to just see what it's like. Oh. So the fan is indeed pretty noisy. You can hear from here. The fan is... So this is the vent for where the hot air will come out. But I'm not feeling it anything yet because the newer drones, they all have the China-made microchip, because now there's a lot of companies not willing to do business with China on selling microchips. So this one has been like they invent the drone, how to say, with the local made chip. So definitely a little more different than the previous generation, I suppose. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where I'll bring this out to fly. Goodbye.